Exo, Sadler.
Hello, and welcome to Change Talk LLC. My name is Dr. Adam Russo, and I believe that we could all use a specific change. A change in our perspective, a change in our thinking, and a change associated with the dogmas of religion that we were told were historically absolute truths. I remember growing up helping my mother teach Sunday school, continuously pointing out what I felt were both the inconsistencies in both the Old and New Testament Bible, and of course the many hypocrisies that I found throughout its pages. When I first heard about the Urantia Book, it was through a vlogger's text that claimed to be in communication with the Galactic Federation of Light. Although I did not find the book as being substantive, I was very curious about the reference to the Urantia Book that these otherworldly visitors had recommended. Immediately, the text seemed to make sense to me and began plausibly filling in the holes of what I felt the Bible left behind. A forbidden apple turned into a forbidden baby. Noah's flood was a series of exaggerations, and our Heavenly Father is more interested in helping his children rather than hurting them. Now, I know that many people know that the origins of the Urantia Book is quite the mystery, and some people question its authenticity. But I believe that religion should be everything in life you hold dear, that resonates with you. What I feel draws people to my channel is my unique perspective on religion, being both a psychotherapist and also having a strong background in understanding sin through my criminal justice background. It's funny, I remember in my master's counseling program that I was actually forbidden to talk about religion unless the client brought it up. And finally, when I made it to my doctorate degree through a private Christian college, I finally felt like I was at home, since we cannot resolve problems without having a clear destination of the type of person you truly want to be. How can we develop a value system without a strong belief system that religion helps afford? How can we live day to day constantly worrying about our short mortal existence if we cannot aspire to become something more or have the hope necessary to believe this life is not the end? Consequently, my channel helps bridge these gaps between science, philosophy, and theology, hoping to inspire my viewers to drop the dogmas of the past and start listening to their own moral compass to foster their own spiritual awakening. Thanks for watching.